Hello and welcome to House Lux Estate, the channel dedicated to providing you with insightful tips and tricks for a better living. We cover a wide variety of topics, ranging from home improvement to personal finance, all with the aim of providing you with practical advice that you can apply in your everyday life. We believe in making the most out of what you have and living life to its fullest. In today's video, we'll be diving into 10 money-saving tips specifically tailored for students. Starting off at number 10, we have budgeting. Now, budgeting might sound like a chore, but trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine being in control of your money instead of it controlling you. That's what budgeting does. It's about understanding where your money comes from and where it goes. You see, when you're a student, every dollar counts, and a budget helps you prioritize your spending. Maybe you're splurging too much on takeouts or those impulse online purchases. With a budget, you get to see these habits and adjust accordingly. And here's a little secret. Budgeting isn't just about saving money. It's about financial freedom. It's about making informed decisions that help you meet your goals. So, how about we start taking control? Let's set up that budget and stick to it. Because in the long run, you're not just saving money. You're also building habits that will benefit you for life. Remember, a budget is your financial blueprint. Stick to it. Coming in at number 9, use student discounts. You'd be amazed at the number of places where your student ID can be your ticket to savings. It's not just about cheaper movie tickets or discounted textbooks. Many restaurants, both local and chains, offer student discounts, which can significantly lessen your meal costs. Some clothing stores and tech companies also offer student discounts, helping you to stay trendy or tech-savvy without breaking the bank. Even public transportation in many cities offers student rates, making your daily commute a little less pricey. Remember, businesses understand that students are often on a tight budget, so they provide these discounts as an incentive. It's their way of supporting your journey to success, so don't be shy. The next time you're out and about, flash your student ID. You never know where it could save you some money. Don't shy away from flashing your student ID for discounts. Every penny saved counts. At number 8, we have cook at home. Now I know that the allure of takeout or a nice meal out can be strong, especially after a long day of studying. But let's think about this for a second. The average restaurant meal can cost anywhere from $10 to $20, while a home-cooked meal can often be whipped up for just a few dollars per serving. That's a significant difference, folks. You see, cooking at home allows you to cut costs and control portions. Plus, it's a valuable life skill that stays with you forever. You can experiment with different recipes, enjoy the process, and most importantly, save a whole lot of money in the process. So why not try cooking a meal or two at home each week? You might just find that you enjoy it. And remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. So roll up your sleeves and whip up some homemade meals. Your wallet will thank you. Number 7 on our list is buy secondhand. Now, before you turn up your nose at the thought, consider this. Not everything needs to be brand new to be of good quality. In fact, buying secondhand can save you a considerable amount of money. Think textbooks, for instance. These are often used for just a semester and then discarded. Buying secondhand textbooks can save you up to half the original cost. Then there's furniture. Whether it's a desk, a chair, or a bookshelf, secondhand furniture can be just as functional as new ones, but at a fraction of the price. And if you're worried about style, a little DIY can go a long way. Also, don't forget about clothes. Thrift shops and online platforms offer a wide range of stylish, gently used clothes at bargain prices. Buying secondhand isn't just good for your pocket, but it's also great for the environment. Our number 6 tip is use public transportation. Now let's look at the numbers. Owning a car or frequently using ride-hailing apps can quickly become a significant drain on your budget. There's the cost of the vehicle itself, fuel, insurance, maintenance, and let's not forget those unexpected repair bills. It all adds up. On the other hand, public transportation offers a more cost-effective alternative. Whether it's buses, trams, trains, or subways, these services operate on a fixed schedule and at a fraction of the cost of personal transportation. Plus, no parking fees or traffic jams to worry about. And there's another benefit. By choosing public transportation, you're also making a greener choice. Fewer cars on the road mean less pollution, and that's something we can all get behind. So not only does your wallet thank you, but so does the planet. Public transportation is not only cheaper, but it's also a greener choice. We're down to our top 5 money-saving tips for students. Let's dive right in. Tip number 5, get a part-time job. You've probably heard this one before, but it's worth repeating because it's such a powerful way to supplement your income while studying. Plus, it's a great opportunity to gain valuable work experience and learn new skills. Whether it's a weekend gig at a local cafe or an online job that you can do from the comfort of your dorm room, a part-time job can greatly help to alleviate financial stress. Moving on to tip number 4, avoid impulse purchases. It's easy to fall into the trap of buying things on a whim, especially when you're stressed or bored. However, those small, unnecessary purchases can quickly add up. So next time you're tempted to buy that fancy coffee or that cute shirt you don't really need, stop and ask yourself if it's really worth it. Remember, each dollar saved is a dollar earned. Coming in at number 3, save on utilities. You might not think much about it, but utilities can eat up a significant portion of your budget. Simple habits can make a big difference. Turn off lights when you're not in the room. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. Unplug devices when they're not in use. And if you're living off campus, consider sharing your internet connection with your roommates. Every little bit helps. Our number 2 tip is plan your meals. Eating out or ordering takeout might seem convenient, but it can quickly drain your wallet. Instead, plan your meals for the week. Buy groceries in bulk and prep your meals ahead of time. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a healthier option. And if you're not a whiz in the kitchen, don't worry. There are plenty of easy, budget-friendly recipes online that you can try. And now, drumroll please, our top money-saving tip for students is open a savings account. If you don't have one already, it's high time you get one. A savings account is a safe place to store your money, and it can also earn you a little bit of interest over time. Make it a habit to put a portion of your income or allowance into your savings account every month. Even if it's just a small amount, it can add up over time. And the best part is, it's money that you can't easily access for impulse purchases. Remember, saving money is not about depriving yourself. It's about making smart decisions that will benefit you in the long run. So whether you're saving for a big purchase, trying to reduce your student loan debt, or simply wanting to have a safety net for emergencies, these tips can help you achieve your financial goals. And that wraps up our top 10 money-saving tips for students. And that's a wrap on our top 10 money-saving tips for students. From budgeting to making use of student discounts, cooking at home to buying secondhand, and opting for public transportation, these simple but effective strategies can go a long way in helping you save money. Now, it's over to you to put these tips into action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more practical tips and tricks. Until next time.